So what you're gonna do is you're gonna open iMovie, as you can see here, and you go to Movie and you select the pictures you want to do. I've got these two. I'm gonna do it like this. It's a very simple one, and if you have iMovie, sometimes the thing moves. This doesn't matter, but you can do key burns. You have to scroll to a position you like. You have to do disabled, and then you have to disable the key burns. Why can't I? Yeah, it's disabled. Now it just does this. And you can do something like that. We're just gonna, this is a very simple one. So you might want to do some titles, but if you don't want to, that's more than fine. You can pick like a I don't really know how to explain it. But kind of like effects so you can look. Blockbuster is the one I always choose, usually for dynamic ones, but not really. Let's have it like this, and so I'm gonna take off Blockbuster, and then we wanna, and if you don't wanna this smooth transition, you can change it to transition. You can do on or off. You can make it a really short one. You can do theme. That's what it kind of does. You can do wipe or something. Wipe. I'll show you what we've created now. Kind of has a sound to it, but don't worry, those sounds are gonna be covered up a bit later. It's a bit like that. So maybe you want to change the wipe. And now for the music part, this is licensed music, so this could be copyrighted, so really be careful. But these music are free to use. I have, so yeah, go to iMovie, go to, you can always make your own sounds. So say have I got some unused media? Yes, I do have some music I can use, kind of. Yeah, I've got a few videos that you can use music from, okay, or sound. Anyways, let's go to audio. You go to, what was it again? You can also go to sound effects, that's for free as well. I'm not going to show you all. Put this is whatever you like. So you want to go to all to find your own media, or you could just go to audio and go back and you go soundtracks, and then you can pick a music. I always like to pick some simple ones. I like shapes of things, but this is my absolute favorite. And if it's a full length of the song, you can also hop up to the sound effects and you can put whatever you like. So I'm gonna put yeah, this sounds pretty nice. Sounds very clean. So I'm gonna put this one here. You can always move it, I think. If you can't, just make it short and then drag the other way. Whatever. Doesn't really work. Let's do yeah, that sounds nice. Well, you can also split something. No, I want to split Okay, we're gonna just go back to the full screen, and you can always make things shorter or longer. If you like keyboards, then I mean whatever you do, you do you. You can always make things shorter so they get more interesting, like what I'm doing now. Yeah, you can do things like this. So also you can stretch them and you can record over them like this. You can take new photos. I'm going to take a photo of myself now. I can always add it to here or something. I can add myself in. You can take a new photo. And that is a very simple intro. You can do fade. Whatever suits you fancy. So you can also turn off these keyboards because keyboards, they kind of move the image and it's not something you would 150% like, so you can always do filters also. And you can change the sound as well. I can put a sound at the beginning also. So I can also add. So these are the sounds and stuff. But if you put this teaches you how to do things. So you still might want to do some stuff like maybe like record over. Like maybe, okay, so ready to record. Hello everybody, this is Rotez, like this. Or maybe you want to move the recording and you can review. Hello everybody, this is Rotez. And you can always cancel it and start it at the beginning. Hello everybody, this is Rotez. And I just wanted to say thank you for supporting my channel. There you go. You can accept that. And hello everybody, this is Rotez. And I just wanted to say thank you for supporting my channel. There you go. But you don't have to do one. It's very optional. And if you want to learn more about it, just press this little question mark up here and you can learn more. I know a lot about my iMovie, but I still need to have some help in these stuff. So yeah, I think that's the end of our video. And if you wanted to know more, I'll make a part 2 of this. And yeah, and I'm just gonna put a sound effect and we're gonna end it with a bang. Wait, there isn't a